So we're going to do 4 different maneuvers today. And we'll start off with probably one of the easiest ones, the 3-point turn. So before you pull over here, we're going to pull over by those flowers just after the yellow car. Just signal right, check your mirror and your right blind spot just before you pull over here. And then when you pull over, you just stop for a second or two, keeping it in drive. And the examiner is going to ask you to proceed with a 3-point turn using the roadway only. What they mean by that is if there's a driveway on that side, you don't pull into the driveway and back out. You stay on the road. So after about a second or two, maybe, you signal left, crank your wheels all the way to the left. And then before you move the car, you just want to verify everything's good. You check your mirror and your blind spot, and then you drive to the other side of the road.
There is a car out there.
That's okay. They have to let you finish the maneuver. And then into reverse.
Turn the wheel.
Yeah, into reverse. And you turn your wheels all the way to the right. Look around before you back up, though. That's good. Right here's good.
And then
Into drive. Signal left. And off we go. There we go.
Yeah, that was simple.
If a car shows up, don't worry about them. We're going to turn right here. Because now they have the responsibility to wait for you to finish the maneuver.